Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. First, let's rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, we must eliminate 3/4 in front of x. So, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 4/3. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we multiply one side of the equation by a number, we must multiply the other side of the equation by the same number. After multiplying them by 4/3, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 12 times 4/3 is 16. Now, this tells us that x is equal to 16. So, the answer is x equals 16.